As you may know, I'm not much of a Transformer collector. I'm much, much more into G.I. Joe. I never really got much into Transformers as a kid. Didn't really watch the show or read the comics. I had a few toys, but not many. Um, but I've opened one before, and I'm going to open this guy here. This is from the G2, so it's 93, I believe. 94 from Hasbro. And this is the Autobot Motormouth GoBot Super Speed Racer with exciting racing action, and he converts from a racing pickup to a robot and back. So I got him for $10. I thought that was a good deal. I'm gonna carefully peel this off as to not damage the card back, because I like to keep that intact. There's a little gun. So I think even if you found this loose, complete with the card back, I think $10 would be a good deal. I mean, some of these smaller, not as popular character G2 figures don't go for a lot. But things like this, the gun, I mean, that's hard to find. I have another G2 Transformer. One of the ones I actually had as a kid. Not the same one, but the same, figure. And I'm missing his gun. It's kind of hard to find. I don't want to pay $4 or $5 for it. So let's see here. Turn car over. Pull down on a rear section. Pull out doors to form arms. I'm afraid I'm going to break it. And it says, excessive force is not necessary. Adult supervision may be necessary for younger children. Yeah, these arms do not want to come out. That's one thing I didn't like, and I still don't like about Transformers, is that sometimes they're hard to transform, and they break easy. Fold down hood to reveal robot head. I guess I can't do that until I get these arms out. Hold on. Yeah, look, it just broke. Just broke, isn't that dandy? Just came off the card. Huh, that stinks. Well, that one came. Let's see. So now I'm a little worried that this is going to snap. It kind of sounded like it broke. Did it break? Something definitely broke in there. Yeah, there's like I can see that chipped piece of plastic. I don't know what that was, but yeah, another reason why you shouldn't keep your keep your figures on the card, because all that excessive heat and not being played with as they were meant to be done with back in 1994 will cause them to break. I mean, I guess I can super glue that on, but if that isn't wanting to stick out, because you can see there, it's like a cylinder shape in there, and that's what didn't come out. So if I super glue this on, that won't turn down. So I would have to either keep them in robot mode or keep them in truck mode, which I don't know. I guess I get some pliers and pull that out. But so he's backup support. He says, "Let's tear up the streets into Decepticons." He's pretty fast. You can see here his speed is almost 10. It's 9.5. He's not very smart. A little bit of courage, a little bit of strength, some endurance. So I don't know. I mean, I was gonna keep this guy. I guess I have to keep him now because he's all broken, which sucks. Whoa. flip this back. See that? It just feels like it's going to break. Like, I don't know if he can. See, I don't like that sound, that snapping sound. This is not a pleasant sound. Let's see if this will just kind of finagle that back on there. Oh, I guess in truck mode. Well, no, that door doesn't really stay. And also, too, I mean, I guess the gun can go in the truck bed, but it'd be nice if you could, like, mount it. A lot of times they'll have, like, a, here, maybe here. I guess there, if there was a little hole, that would be kind of cool. Right there on the back, as opposed to the hood or the roof. They easily could have put a hole right there, and then you could mount the gun. I don't know. But yeah, I'm going to pick up these little scraps of blue plastic that are 23 years old and maybe try to repair this in some way, shape, or form. But I'm glad you were able to watch this. And if I was going to break it, might as well break it on camera and share that with all my viewers on YouTube. So it's kind of a bit of a fail, but oh well. We'll just leave it like that. If you're ever in a piece of crap car, where like one side's all scratched up, or maybe like the door's a different color, and you always want to kind of, park it that way to kind of hide it. So maybe that's what we'll do here with Mr. Motormouth. So thanks for watching, and when you're out there tearing up the streets, make sure you tear up some Decepticons.